Hi everyone, this is Paige from Mosaic Moments, and today I am doing a tutorial on the film strip 2x4 and 2x2 die set. So both of these dies make great embellishments and also fun frames for your photographs. So in this photograph, my subject was taken far enough away that it fits within this small space. If you didn't have any photographs like this one, you can opt to print your photos at a smaller size so you can make sure your subjects fit within that frame. Alright, so now that you've been introduced to these dies, let's get started with the demo. So first we're going to cut the background pieces. So this is the 2x4 film strip die, and I'm using the 2x4 die from set B. So the film strip die doesn't quite cover all the grid lines, and if some of it shows and doesn't bother you, maybe you don't feel a need for a background piece, but I want them all to be covered. So I decided to make background pieces. And if you're going to use the 2x2 size, you definitely need the 2x2 square die from set A to make the background piece for that one. Alright, so I got the first one, and I'm going to cut the second one here real quickly. If you don't have the basic die set, you can of course hand cut those pieces as well. Next, I'm going to use my repositionable glue to stick down the background pieces on the grid paper. So of course, this will be the background for the film strip die. So the nice thing is, since we have that down, then we can just put the film strip dies right on top. So lining it up on the grid has already been done for you, basically. Alright, next I'm going to cut with the 2x4 film strip die with the solid color cardstock. So I just rolled it through, and it probably will be stuck in the die, so you need your tweezers. And there's two little holes in two of the corners anyway, and you stick the tweezers in and you can pull the die cut on out. There's a couple of squares that were stuck there, but I got them out and now it's finished. Now I'm going to be cutting with the 2x2 film strip die. And just like before, I put the cardstock on top and roll it through the machine. And of course, there is two holes you can poke your tweezers through to get that die cut out, and see how easy that was. Now I want to clean out these rectangles, so I'm using the Spellbinders Tool-in-One, and it's got a round brush in there that helps you get all those little pieces out. So now my die is ready to make a second cut. So go check out that tool if you have not seen that already. Alright, now I have the second one. Of course, I can easily pull it out. It's ready to be added to the layout. Now I'm going to glue the back of each film strip die. I have this piece of cardstock here just so I don't get glue on my page or on the table. And then when I'm ready, I put it on the background piece that's already been glued to the grid paper, and now you can see the color through those little rectangular pieces on the edges, which is really nice. Alright, now I'm going to glue the 2x2 one down. And by the way, it is an option, I'm going to show you here, to have the film strip die going the vertical direction as well, and we do have samples of the film strip dies going the vertical direction. So you're not just limited to the horizontal way, you can cut your photos so they go vertically as well. The last step, of course, is to cut your photographs. So right now I'm cutting with the 2x4 film strip die. Of course, it's really quick and easy, and the photograph pills up very well, so that way you can take the little portion you need. And I'm going to cut with the same die on the second photo as well. So just a note, so you don't make the same mistake as I did just earlier this week. So the 2x4 film strip die, that middle part and the middle part on the 2x2 die, they are not the same size. They are the same height. If you put it horizontally, they're the same height, but they're not the same width. So I'm just warning you, because I tried to cut with the 2x2 die and to actually stick that photo into the 2x4 frame size, and I noticed it was too short. So just be aware, they both frames are different sizes on the inside part. So I hope that made sense. If not, you can certainly ask about it in the comments below. All right, and of course the very last step is we fill in the film strip dies with our photos, and again, just be aware that that inner part we're filling in, it's a different size on the 2x4, and the 2x2 is a little bit of a shorter width. All right, so now all the film strip dies are filled in, and I'm all finished. All right, thank you everyone for taking the time to watch today's demo. If you enjoy the film strip die, definitely give our video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe, because when you do, you'll be updated on future tutorial videos. All right, so this concludes our tutorial for today. I'll see you next time.